Welcome back, student. Today I am going to discuss properties of gamma function. First I am going to prove this gamma n plus 1 equal to n gamma n. Let me start from very basic. Gamma n is given by 0 to infinity e की power minus x into x power n minus 1 into dx. What I am going to put n plus 1 in place of n की जगह क्या रख रहे हैं n plus 1. Then this will become becomes gamma n plus 1 that is equal to 0 to infinity e की power minus x into x power n हो जाएगा into dx. Now what I am going to do, I am going to integrate by parts, taking x power n as a first function and e power minus x as a second function. So first into integration of second, that is minus e power minus x, limit from 0 to infinity, minus integration differentiation of first, that means n into x power n minus 1 into integration of second e power minus x into dx, limit 0 to infinity. Now put limits of x over here, upper limit minus lower limit, then this will becomes infinity to power n into minus outside e की power minus infinity minus 0 to power n into e की power minus 0, upper limit minus lower limit, minus plus n, this is taken outside, 0 to infinity e की power minus x, x power n minus 1 into dx. You can see 1 upon e power infinity, I can write minus infinity to power n into 1 upon e power infinity minus 0 plus n, 0 to infinity e power minus x into x power n minus 1 into dx. E power infinity equal to infinity, that becomes 0. So 0 minus 0 equal to 0. Then gamma n plus 1, that is equal to n 0 to infinity e power minus x into x power n minus 1 into dx. These things equal to gamma n from equation 1. So I can write that implies gamma n plus 1, that is equal to n into gamma n. Now how to calculate the value of gamma 4? It can be written as, if we write this in the form of gamma 3 plus 1, then it can be written as 3 gamma 3. Then again 3 gamma 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3 into 2 into gamma 2, then 3 into 2 into 1 plus 1, that is 3 into 2 into 1 into gamma 1. So it is equal to 3 into 2 into 1, that is factorial 3. Gamma 4 equal to factorial 3. That means gamma n plus 1 equal to factorial n. How to calculate value of gamma half? We know gamma n equal to 0 to infinity e की power minus x into x power n minus 1 into dx. Put n equal to half in equation first, then this will become gamma half, that is equal to 0 to infinity e की power minus x into x power half minus 1 into dx. That means gamma half, that is equal to 0 to infinity e की power minus x into x power minus half into dx. Now put x equal to y square. Let me differentiate this. Dx equal to 2y into dy. Here these are limits for x, then change this limit for y, lower limit x equal to 0, that implies y equal to 0, upper limit that is infinity for x, then put over here infinity equal to y square, that implies y equal to infinity. Then this first becomes gamma half, that is equal to 0 to infinity e की power minus y square into 1 upon y into dx की जगह 2y into dy, y cancel, that means gamma half, that is equal to 0 to infinity e power minus y square into 2 taking outside dy. Second, now in the same fashion I can write gamma half for x, that is given by 0 to infinity e की power minus x square into dx. Change of variable has no effect. Then multiply, that means multiply second and third, then what it becomes, gamma half into gamma half, that is equal to 2 into 2 equal to 4, 0 to infinity e power minus x square dx into e power minus y square into dy. I can write gamma half ka square, that is equal to 4 times 0 to infinity e की power minus taking outside x square plus y square into dx into dy. Now changing into polar coordinate, that means put x equal to r cos theta, y equal to r sin theta, स्क्वायर करके ऐड कर दो, क्या हो जाएगा, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर दैट इज इक्वल टू आर स्क्वायर कास स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस आर स्क्वायर साइन स्क्वायर थीटा, आर स्क्वायर टेकिंग आउटसाइड तो बना कास स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा, कास स्क्वायर प्लस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा इक्वल टू 1, दैट मीन्स एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर इक्वल टू आर स्क्वायर. So and in place of dx dy, what I can write, you can see lecture 2, we can write r d theta into dr and limit, it is equation of circle, x axis y axis 0 to infinity, x की लिमिट कहाँ 0 to infinity, y की 0 to infinity and this area. So converting to polar coordinate, this one is r, so r लिमिट क्या होगी 0 to infinity और थीटा की यहाँ से यहाँ कितना हो रहा π/2 घूमता है तो π/2. तो I am going to transform into polar coordinate 0 to π/2, 0 to infinity e पावर x स्क्वायर प्लस y की जगह y स्क्वायर की जगह r स्क्वायर इंटू dx dy की जगह r d थीटा इंटू dr. क्या हो गया 4 0 to π/2 d थीटा 0 to infinity e पावर माइनस आर स्क्वायर इंटू आर डी आर. ये डी थीटा का होगा अब इंटीग्रेशन थीटा लिमिट 0 to π/2, इसका अगर टी मानोगे आर स्क्वायर को तो हो जाएगा e पावर माइनस आर स्क्वायर इंटू माइनस साइन लिमिट 0 to infinity डिवाइड बाई 2 भी होगा, डिवाइड बाई 2 क्या मानोगे, लेट r square equal to t, that implies 2r dr equal to dt, that implies dr equal to dt upon 2r. ये देखो 2 ये वही वाला आ गया. तो यहाँ रखो 4 इंटू π/2 थीटा की जगह माइनस लोअर लिमिट 0 इंटू माइनस ये माइनस साइन बाहर, माइनस साइन इसके, तो हम क्या कर रहे हैं अपर लिमिट माइनस साइन के साथ में माइनस लिख लेते हैं e पावर माइनस इन्फिनिटी और 2 ये और लेना है ये वाला 2 बार माइनस लोअर लिमिट r की जगह 0. तो यहाँ से हम क्या लिख सकते हैं माइनस 4 पाई डिवाइड बाई 4, ये हो गया 0, ये हो गया 1, दैट इज माइनस 1 0 माइनस 1, 4 कैंसिल हो गया माइनस पाई इंटू माइनस 1 दैट इज इक्वल टू पाई. यानी व्हाट आई कैन राइट गामा हाफ का स्क्वायर दैट इज इक्वल टू पाई, दैट इम्प्लाइज गामा हाफ इक्वल टू रूट पाई. That is the value of gamma half. For more videos please like and subscribe the channel.